European countries are seeing a surge in COVID-19 cases. Governments want to implement new strategies to get people vaccinated, and those strategies vary from one country to the next. Joining us for an update from Berlin, Germany, is DWTV's Emmanuel Chase. Emmanuel, we have seen a surge in COVID cases in European countries. What's the situation like?
Overall in Europe, we see a surge in Delta variant cases at a time when people are moving around quite a lot due to summer holidays. Here in Germany, the incidence rate is on the rise again, not to a dramatic level at around 7 new infections per 100,000 inhabitants, but still enough of a worry to prompt discussions as to how to contain this surge, how to prevent a fourth wave of infections. One of the key factors to try and curb those new infections being vaccination. And here in Europe, the vaccination has indeed picked up, but there's still reason to worry. If you look at the Netherlands, for example, well, there is a 500% spike in the number of coronavirus infections recorded this week only, and this comes after the government's decision to scrap nearly all restrictions in late June.
One of the most controversial measures is making the vaccine mandatory. Can that be the case?
French President Emmanuel Macron announced that a vaccine would become mandatory for medical personnel and that a sanitary pass would be necessary to access places of socialization, restaurants, cultural events, and this in fact prompted 1.3 million people to register for a vaccination on the very same evening of the announcement. Mandatory vaccination is also being imposed in Greece for nursing home staff and health workers, and the country is even offering incentives such as money or free mobile data to try and get more people getting vaccinated. Here in Germany, Chancellor Angela Merkel said it would not become mandatory, but she advocated a more pedagogical approach to get more people willingly taking the jab.
Where does Germany stand in terms of vaccination?
In terms of vaccination, in the United Kingdom, over 80 million of vaccine doses have been administered. In France, quite the same as Italy, and here in Germany, 84 million doses have been administered. It means that more than 40% of the population here in Germany is right now fully vaccinated. Even if Angela Merkel also acknowledged that, for example, when it comes to the vaccination of children, there was still a long way to go. There's also new vaccination strategies such as drive-in mobile vaccination being implemented to offer it spontaneously to the people. We will see just how efficient are the vaccines in the coming months, and especially how it reduces the number of serious cases and how efficient it is against new mutations which are highly likely to happen.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel Chase. She's with DWTV. She's been updating us of the COVID situation across Europe.